Welcome to DECOLOVA, your go-to channel for all things home design. As the holiday season approaches, it's time to transform your space into a festive wonderland. In today's video, we'll explore 5 stunning Christmas decoration trends that are taking the world by storm this year. Whether you're looking for chic elegance or cozy charm, these trends will inspire you to create a memorable atmosphere for your family and friends. So, grab your hot cocoa, sit back, and let's dive into the spirit of the season. Our first trend is all about bringing the beauty of nature indoors. Nature-inspired decor emphasizes earthy tones, organic materials, and the use of natural elements like pine cones, berries, and evergreen branches. This trend not only adds a fresh and inviting feel to your home, but also reflects the spirit of the season. Consider creating a stunning centerpiece for your dining table using a mix of foliage, candles, and rustic ornaments. This simple yet effective decor choice will surely impress your guests and set the tone for holiday gatherings. Incorporating natural elements doesn't stop at the table. You can also hang wreaths made from fresh greens on your doors and windows, or even create unique garlands to drape across mantels or staircases. This trend encourages a sense of warmth and comfort, making your home a welcoming retreat during the colder months. Plus, the aroma of fresh pine will bring a nostalgic holiday scent that adds to the overall experience. Next up, we have whimsical color palettes that embrace fun and creativity. This year, bold colors like vibrant pinks, deep blues, and rich greens are making a statement, breaking away from traditional red and gold. Think of a playful mix of colors that can uplift your home's energy and create a festive vibe. Incorporate colorful ornaments on your tree, and don't be afraid to mix and match patterns in your wrapping paper for a joyful touch. Add accents like quirky figurines or unique holiday-themed cushions to complete the look. This trend allows for personal expression, so feel free to let your imagination run wild. It's all about creating a fun atmosphere that sparks joy and brings out the child in all of us. So, gather those colorful decorations and let's get festive. For those who prefer a more understated approach, minimalist elegance is a trend that beautifully captures the essence of Christmas without overwhelming the senses. This style emphasizes simplicity, using a muted color palette and clean lines to create a serene environment. Think white ornaments, natural wood accents, and soft lighting that exudes tranquility. A minimalist Christmas tree adorned with simple decorations can become a stunning focal point in your home. To enhance this trend, Consider using LED candles and soft textiles like wool throws and linen table runners to add warmth without excess. This decor style is not just visually appealing. It also promotes mindfulness and relaxation during the hectic holiday season. Minimalist elegance is perfect for those seeking a peaceful holiday atmosphere that still feels festive. The fourth trend focuses on sustainability, showcasing the beauty of upcycled and eco-friendly decorations. As we become more conscious of our environmental impact, this trend encourages creativity and resourcefulness. Consider using items you already have at home, like old ornaments that can be repainted or reimagined. You can also create stunning decorations from recycled materials, such as paper, glass, and fabric, to add a unique touch to your holiday decor. Not only does this trend help reduce waste, but it also tells a story. Each piece you create can reflect your personality and values, making your decor feel even more special. Plus, involving your family in these projects can be a delightful way to spend time together during the holidays. So, gather those old decorations and let's create something beautiful while caring for our planet. Finally, we have the trend of mixed textures, which adds depth and dimension to your Christmas decor. Combining various materials such as velvet, wool, and burlap can create a rich sensory experience. This trend encourages you to layer textures throughout your space. Think cozy throws on your couch, plush pillows, and textured ornaments on your tree. The tactile quality of mixed textures not only looks stunning, but also makes your home feel inviting and warm. To pull this trend off, consider using a monochromatic color scheme and varying the materials to create contrast. For example, pairing a soft, faux fur throw with a chunky knitted blanket can add visual interest while maintaining a cohesive look. Mixed textures are all about comfort, so let's create an environment that feels as good as it looks. And there you have it, 5 stunning Christmas decoration trends to inspire your holiday decorating this year. Whether you lean towards nature-inspired designs, whimsical colors, or minimalist elegance, these trends offer a variety of ways to make your home festive and inviting. Remember, the most important aspect of holiday decorating is to reflect your personal style and create a warm atmosphere for your loved ones. Thank you for joining us on this festive journey through the latest trends in Christmas decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home design inspiration. Share your favorite trend in the comments below, and happy decorating. Wishing you a joyous and beautiful holiday season from all of us at DECOLOVA.